Hello friends, today we are back with the part 2 of top 10 underrated South Indian movies which are wholesome entertainers and are totally worth your time and watch. If you have missed part 1 then check out the link in the description box. Now let's get on to the list. Our movie is Ennai Arindal is the Tamil dark suspense thriller movie. When carefree girl Tenmuli was saved from attackers by the Satyadev IPS officer, she was frightened to hear that her life is under threat. When Satyadev was an undercover agent, he befriends Victor to gain access to the Matthews gang to kill Matthew, which incurs the wrath of Victor, who promises to take the revenge. Meanwhile, Satyadev's love Hemanika was killed, who is also the single mother. Devastated by this, Satyadev leaves it all behind and is touring the country with Hemanika's daughter. However, he was brought into the police service to head the operation involving the high-level organized crime and mafia. So, what is this mafia? How it is connected to Victor and Tenmuli, and who is responsible for Hemanika's death? Find out all this by watching the movie.
Our next movie is North 24 Gadam. This movie tells the story of Hari Krishnan, a geeky software architect. He is suffering from obsessive compulsive disorder and is very much strict about his hygiene and routine. One day he has to travel to Thiruvananthapuram for a work. During this journey he meets Gopalan and Narayani. His journey gets interrupted as he decides to help Gopalan, and how the next part of the journey becomes a life changing experience, transforming his personality, is the rest of the story.
Our next movie, Lucia, is the Kannada psychological thriller. In this movie, Nikki is the humble torch shiner in the theatre who has insomnia. His sleepless nights gets him so frustrated. Once he meets the drug dealer who gives him the pills called Lucia, which helps him to dream the life he wants. And the drug has side effects too. Once Nikki starts taking these pills, he dreams of being a famous superstar called Nikhil who has all the things which he lacks in the real life. Over the period of time, Nikki is caught up in the hallucination between reality and illusion. He no longer knows who he really is. So, who is he really? Whether he is Nikki or Nikhil. So, what's happening around him? Find out all this by watching the movie.
Our next movie is Nati Charami. This is a movie around the life of Gauri, who is a successful woman working in an IT firm. She lost her husband in an accident and is in the process of getting over this tragic incident. But when she realizes that she has her physical desires to be taken care of, she is caught in a dilemma between her physical desires and the emotional beliefs. Meanwhile, she meets a civil engineer who is unhappy in his marital life and develops friendship with him. Will she fulfill her physical desires, or will she give in to the societal pressure? Watch the movie to know the answer.
Our next movie, Urumi, is the Malayalam film set in 16th century involving Indian and Portuguese. Krishnadas, unknown that he is the descendant of Chirakal Kelu Nayana, decides to lease his ancestral property to the multinational mining company Nirvana. When he is in Kerala, he was being met by the tribal chief Tangachan, who narrates in the story of Kelu. Kelu's father was being murdered by Vasco da Gama and his troop. Kelu vows to avenge his father's death, and how Kelu manages to do this with the help of Vavali, Aisha, Chirakal and Arakal kingdom troops forms the rest of the story. Inspired by his ancestor stories, Krishnadas stays back in his ancestral property and also decides against leasing it out to Nirvana Group. And watch this movie for its realistic scenes, amazing cinematography and performances, and also to know bits and pieces of our history.
Our next movie is Care of Kancharapalam. It captures the 4 different love stories of 4 different age groups, which gets beautifully connected at the end. The innocent love story of school children, a wine shop boy falling in love with a sex worker, love between an attender and an officer gives the new definition to the love. The movie has a very realistic approach with which it gets easily connected with the audience. It touches upon the several societal issues like religious differences, dignity of labor, and gender sensitivity.
Our next movie, Kavya Talevan, is Tamil period drama set in pre-independence era involving the famous drama troupe led by Swami. Kali and Gomati are Swami's disciples who are like brothers doing various roles in the drama. However, when Kali gets the role of Rajapatra, Swami is angered who hatches the conspiracy which leads to the Kali's exit from the troupe. Few years down the line, Gomati is successful whereas Kali is drunkard. They reunite. Once again, the jealousy breeds inside Gomati because of Kali's growing popularity. So what are the consequences of the manifestation of anger and jealousy of the Gomati forms the rest of the movie. This movie is a visual treat with soulful music and amazing performances which transports you back to that era. Give it a watch.
Our next movie is Munnareepu. The movie is around a prisoner named Raghavan and a freelance journalist Anjali. Raghavan is convicted of double homicide and is in the jail even after serving his official term. Anjali, on her visit to the jail, meets Raghavan and is inspired by his thoughts and philosophies. Anjali's write-up on Raghavan's life gains attention and proposals come for publishing Raghavan's biography. Anjali decides to use the opportunity and she gets Raghavan released from the jail. Will she succeed in publishing the biography? Check out the movie. The engaging script and exceptional performance of Mammootty are the major highlights of the movie.
Our next film is Evade Subramaniam is a soul-searching Telugu film. The childhood friends Rishi and Subramaniam are poles apart. On one hand, Rishi, who is energetic and lives his life without worrying. On the other hand, Subbu is ambitious and materialistic. After a few years, Rishi meets Subbu with his dream to travel to Dudhkashi with Subbu, an offer which Subbu declines. When Rishi dies, their friend Anandi steals the Rishi's ashes so that they can be submerged in Dudhkashi lake, a journey to which Subbu reluctantly joins. This is not just the journey to the Himalayas, this is the journey of discovery of self, this is the journey of introspection. After watching this movie, you will be left with many questions to answer regarding about one's life, and also this movie might help you to discover a little bit of yourself. Do not miss it.
Our last movie is Appatulo Okadundevadu. This movie is around the life of Railway Raju who aspires to become a cricketer. When everything seems to be going well, Raju gets into the trouble because of his sister's involvement in Naxalite activities. Raju becomes the target of Special Officer Imtiaz. Following this, Raju turns to the world of crime to take revenge on Imtiaz. How an innocent guy turns into a criminal is the rest of the story. The climax, especially, is a big surprise. The script and screenplay are the backbone of the movie.
Guys, watch these movies and enjoy. For further more updates, hit the red bell icon and do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.